Get excited about the 2016 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and much more. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.